The ab roller is one of the most misunderstood and poorly executed tools in home fitness. Most people use it incorrectly, leading to zero results or a thrown-out lower back. The difference between a $20 wheel and a $60 wheel isn't just price, it's the engineering that protects your spine and allows for true progressive overload. Today, I'm analyzing 5 top models based on stability, resistance mechanics, and safety features to find which ones actually build a bulletproof core and which ones are an injury waiting to happen. Let's break down the rollout. The DMoose ab roller is built like legitimate gym equipment. The foundation is its premium stainless steel frame, which provides absolute rigidity. There is zero flex or wobble under load, a critical factor for maintaining spinal alignment during the challenging eccentric phase. The wide, rubber-coated wheel ensures a quiet, smooth roll on any hard surface and offers inherent stability. The inclusion of high-density foam elbow rests and 2 knee pads addresses the 2 major pain points of ab wheel training. The ergonomic handles with enhanced grip are a thoughtful touch for longer sets. This is the no-compromise choice for intermediate to advanced users who train seriously at home. The BLUERISE represents the classic, no-frills, dual-wheel ab roller. Its primary advantage is the inherent stability provided by 2 non-slip wheels on a fixed axle. This design is fundamentally more stable for beginners than a single wheel, reducing the lateral wobble that can strain obliques and the lower back. The construction is straightforward, sturdy plastic and a metal axle, and it assembles in seconds. However, it lacks any progressive features, knee pads, or significant ergonomic padding. This is the archetypal beginner's ab wheel. The Tixahi attempts to innovate on the classic wheel with its headline feature: smart automatic rebound technology with a built-in brake system. This is a double-edged sword for core development. The rebound mechanism assists the concentric phase, making it dramatically easier and reducing muscular failure at that point. For absolute beginners, rehabilitation clients, or those focusing purely on the eccentric contraction, this can be a valuable safety and learning tool. However, it handicaps the development of full-range concentric strength, which is a cornerstone of the exercise. The dual-wheel design is stable, and the floor protection layers are a nice touch. This is a specialized tool, not a universal one. It's excellent for beginners learning the movement pattern or for programming eccentric-focused rehab. Dual-wheel design, allowing you to use each wheel independently as a fitness glider. This unlocks 360-degree multi-directional movements, lateral slides, rotational twists that target the obliques and stabilizers in ways a fixed wheel cannot. The 3-stage progressive training guide is a crucial value add, providing a roadmap from kneeling rollouts to advanced push-up slides. The eco-leather surface and steel frame promise good durability. This is the best choice for the user who values versatility, functional movement patterns, and has outgrown a basic roller. It's for the intermediate fitness enthusiast who wants a single tool for ab rollouts, plank variations, and dynamic core stability work. The READAEER strikes a powerful balance between robust construction, smart design, and value. Its dual, non-skid rubber wheels on a stainless steel frame provide the same foundational stability as the BLUERISE, but with a noticeably more heavy-duty feel and a superior 550-pound weight capacity. The noiseless, thickened rubber surface protects floors and ensures a smooth roll. Crucially, it includes a high-density EVA foam knee pad, addressing the single biggest accessory need for effective training. There are no gimmicks, just a well-built, stable dual-wheel roller with an essential accessory included. This is the best overall value for most people. It offers the critical stability of a dual-wheel design, durable construction, and includes the necessary knee pad at a highly competitive price.